You know, I look at the 35 Puro. This is a boat that can go throughout the world. It has a leading European designer in Giorgio Cassetta, designed by an international team, built by an international company. Still has the DNA of the American buyer in mind, however, so much more.
The influence when we sit down and we discuss a new creation, when we come up with a new series like we did with the Puro line. We wanted to take those very detailed cues from the design side, not only aesthetically on the exterior, but also on the interior, soften things, bring in a lot of the European influences and the Italian influences that people have found to be very striking, not only in their homes, but their offices, their workplaces, and their environments. And we feel like we actually executed something that blends the two worlds in a seamless manner.
You know, if I had the opportunity to take a customer through the boat, I'd walk slowly. I wouldn't go past any detail. I'd make sure that they understood and appreciated the various touch points, the various design cues. Richard Allender, who was one of the leaders of Ocean Alexander and became a good friend through the process, he used to say it's a boater's boat. The Ocean Alexander buyer is a very educated buyer. So the seakeeping ability of these, the usability, the DNA of a boater, and that's what they're going to find with an Ocean Alexander.
If you know the brand, if you understand the brand, if you understand the build quality and what we bring to this industry, then what we have the ability to do with the P-Series, we have the ability to now identify something that actually will fit better with the client.
It's going to be a seakeeping boat, without a doubt. World-renowned naval architect, world-renowned designer, world-renowned manufacturer. And you wrap that all together with a world-renowned dealer, and you've got a winner.